Guys, and welcome to Dizasolutions. So in today's video I want to share with you intelligence prime capital that you need to know for those that yet to know. And as you can see, we have received feedback from some users over an inability to generate a wallet deposit address in their accounts, which has prevented them from depositing funds into their account. As such, we'll be performing a system upgrade on 23rd February 2022 to address this issue, and the upgrade is estimated to take around 2 hours to complete. So actually this upgrade has actually take place. So in case you get into your funding, you want to fund your account, make sure that um you get familiar with this new network that has been added to it. So the upgrade has actually taken place, and that reminds me, for those that are new on Intelligence Prime Capital, you need to know that there is no Telegram group for Intelligence Prime Capital, so that you will not form you will not fall victims in the hands of scammers. All right. And another thing is, be careful on how you go to links that or sites that looks like Intelligence Prime Capital. All right. So anytime you want to log into your Intelligence Prime Capital from your Chrome, ensure that it is from your registration link that you go in, or normally it should already be on your Google. So there's no need for you to start typing it again, because if you miss one word, you can make mistake and go to the wrong site. So be careful when you're logging in. Ensure that it is the right site. All right. So that is that about that. So now I want to show you the particular place where it's the network, the funding wallet address has now been updated. So let me close this and show you some of those options. There are now different options if you want to deposit your fund into the Intelligence Prime Capital. If you want to fund your account, we now have up to 1 2 3 4 5, I think, here. So let me go there now and show you how to do that. As you can see, we now have BTC, we have USDT TRC20, USDT ARC20, USDT BEP20. Okay, they are all four. There are four options here, and this you can see this USDT is all USDT. The only thing that differentiates them all is the network. Please ensure that you're pasting the right network. If you are choosing TRC20 wallet address, ensure that when you are sending it from your Binance, KuCoin, or any other exchange that you are using, ensure that the network tallies, because if it doesn't, you are going to lose your fund, and it can never be recovered again. And let's assume you chose ERC20 or BEP20. You scroll down, look at it very well that it is BEP20, and you tap on the copy address. Just tap on it once. You don't need to press down, just tap on it once. It will copy, and you go paste it on your exchange where you want to withdraw the money from, to send to Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, so please take note of the network. They are different. And another thing I want to share with you, which is very, very important, is the fact that there are apps on Play Store proven to be Intelligence Prime Capital, and they are not. Someone recently got in, and we don't know what happened to the person. You know, as you can see, all this Intelligence Prime Capital app they are seeing here, they have made it known to us that these apps are not theirs. So please do not download any app on Play Store. Do not download any Intelligence Prime Capital app. They do not have app. They've said it several times that there are no apps for Intelligence Prime Capital. You can only go through the website. So no app. Please take note and inform other people so that they will not fall victim. All right, the essence of this channel is to share information, and if you are new on this channel, we talk about make money, tech tutorials, and life-changing topics, and we share wonderful finance updates, anything that has to do with making us earn side income, and share very helpful tech tutorials that will also help our business. All right, and life-changing topics. So hit the subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified each time I upload new videos, so you'll be the first to see it and watch. So if you've got any value from this, don't forget to hit the like button and comment, share with us if you have any updates. We are all learning together. This is just for us not to fall victim. And then I used to say one thing: do not put all your eggs in one basket. All right, this video is not to encourage you to put more or to rely more on Intelligence Prime Capital. I'm just sharing updates with you so that you get informed, all right, and get to know what is happening. All right, every investment out there are risky. You can only take calculative risk. All right, every risk that you take is all in your hands. So if you cannot take risk, then don't do certain things. All right, so please take notes. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose. All right, then another thing I want to share with you is for you to check your transaction status. Maybe you made a payment from wallets to MT4. Just tap